Okay, welcome back everybody. We're checking out some brand new mower blades here today from a company that I have not actually used before. This is a company that wanted me to do a review on these. Get closer, there we go. Company by the name of IDEASURE, and they are on Amazon. They've got a whole Amazon storefront selling a whole bunch of different mower blades. And what we have here, both of these are for the Cub Cadet ZT1, the zero turn that I'm using on my channel. And we have the standard blades, and then we have the Gator type blades. So the standard regular side shoot mowing blades, and then mulching blades to give them a try. And here's just a quick look at how they come pack. I just wanted to make sure that I point this out because I have gotten a lot of mower blades in the mail, and you should see some of the ways that they get packaged and damaged. And I want to say that this is packed very well inside these bubble wrap sleeves, and then wrapped in plastic, and then they all came in that box over there. And I just wanted to mention that. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to get them out of their plastic wrap, and I'm going to get the blades off the mower itself to show you the comparison. And that's what we're going to do next. Okay, here we go. Here's our first actual look at them. These are the standard blades over here, and then the Gator style mulching blades there. And I have taken off the actual blade that I run on the ZT1. Normally, I actually run the Oregon Gator blade on there, so we have an opportunity to compare these directly to Gator blades. As you can see, I don't think the width is the same. Let's see here. I'll put one on there. Yeah. So the width is normal. Keep in mind, this doesn't mean they're skinny. This means normal. The Oregon Gator blades are extra wide, and that is one of the features that they have. But these are regular width. Now the extra little bump there, I normally get a truck. Okay, so the extra contours there are definitely for rigidity. As you can see here, even on the standard ones. I don't have the standard blades to compare these to. I have long since worn those out, but I don't remember them having that bump there. And that is just going to help make them much more solid to the point where, you know what I mean, so they won't bend under stress. And so now the Gator blade is so thick, the actual Gator blade is thicker and wider and doesn't need the extra contours, and so that's why you're not seeing it there. But what we do have is good confirmation that we have star style center hole, and that's important because otherwise it's not going to fit. And so we're in good shape there. I think that what we're going to do is we're going to start with the standard blades and do some open shoot mowing. Open shoot meaning side shoot. And then we will work our way up to mulching with these, with the mulch door closed with these Gator blades. And so here we go. So I'll show you under the mower. We'll be getting out the impact gun and tightening up the bolts and installing these. Okay, so here is a good look at what they look like when they are installed. Always remember to put the wing side up. I've seen it happen. Not me, of course, but I've seen people mowing with them upside down, and what that'll do is the wing will be sticking down, and it's obvious. But that does it for putting on the standard blades anyway. And we are gonna open up the side chute and spray some grass. We're going to be going in this thick St. Augustine grass, see what it does. So let's do it. Okay, so they're doing just fine. I'm gonna get down close here to show how nice and smooth and flat and even they are mowing. And let's see how close I can get. I think we are already zoomed in. No, there we are. Let me get it off of here. Okay. There's a better look. All the way down. Perfect. And so, let me come over here and take a peek at them under the, there they are sticking out. And there's a look at what they look like from the top as they're ready to mow. And so, I've got to say the standard blades are doing absolutely just fine. But now is where we're going to put on the mulch blade, which completely covers this hole here. I'll show you that in a moment. And we're going to put on the mulching blades, and we're going to go to a thicker section over here where the St. Augustine is its thickest. And there will be no spray coming out. Everything stays contained under the deck. And the idea is that you're mulching the clippings back down into the lawn to the point where you don't have to bag or spray. If you're in a tight area, you don't want to spray. This is of course not a tight area, but it's what mulching is all about, and that's what we're going to do. So let me go back under the mower and show you the change out of the standard blades for the mulching blades. Okay, and so here we go. We've got the mulching blades fully installed there and ready to demonstrate. Where did the other one? There we go. Hard to locate. And as you can see here, I have the chute completely closed and tied off, and the side chute is bungeed up into the up position. And we are ready to do some mulching. So let's set up the other camera and get into the St. Augustine on the side yard and demonstrate. Okay, so as you can see, it did just absolutely fine. It's kind of funny, we have this line here is actually just a shadow from the edge of the roof there, but it is where we're seeing the actual cutoff between high and low today, just because of lighting. And so this is how it started, and this is what we got. Mulched up nice and fine to the point where you can't even see it. And that is actually what I prefer to do. Usually I have the mulch door closed these days, and we just run it closed so that we can get into all kind of tight situations. For example, like something like this, if you were to mow in between there, you wouldn't want to spray into that planter or into that planter, so you would want your mulch door closed. And so this is why you use mulching blades, and that's why I keep the mulching door closed for the most part. So I guess we're wrapping up this video here. I'd like to be able to show the mulching blades at the end, but they're all up underneath there, and we saw them already anyway. I brought the standard blades back out just to have something to look at. And that wraps it up. IDEASURE lawnmower blades. They are very reasonably priced. They seem to be very straight and durable. They're certainly doing a great job for me here. I will be leaving the mulching blades on there, so in the next in the next probably 6 months, all the mowing you see, all the mulching that you see me doing, and probably all the, even if the chute is open, I will have the IDEASURE mulching Gator blades on there. That's what's going to be on there. I'll save the real Gator blades for another day, and we will save these standard blades for, I don't know, some really nice yard somewhere. And that will wrap it up. So anyway, up in the top pinned comment and down in the description, you'll see a link to the Amazon page where you can go pick these up if you happen to have an Ultima ZT1, which is, I think it is the same deck. If you have a 42-inch MTD Troy built, there are a lot of them that are exactly the same. That was very smart of them to put that deck under this when Cub Cadet made this mower, because it is a very universally known deck that has a lot of stuff made for it. Spindle is very easy to find, blades very easy to find, and you're all set to go. So give these blades a try. I certainly did. They're working out really good. Seem to be very good blades. Thanks for watching, everybody, and we'll see you in the next video.